So we have some great customers for Vonetix 7 Voice. It is a pretty new product. It's been in development for about 2 years, and the original product was licensed and sold around the world by one of the largest telecom vendors. But this version, Vonetix 7 Voice, we built with Microsoft technology, and even for Microsoft for that matter. They're one of the customers. So if you call 1-800-Microsoft, that application was built using the Vonetix 7 Voice development environment. Now, we have other customers, a global bank, who we use the development to build a cloud-based IVR speech recognition platform. We didn't build the platform, but we built the applications that run on the platform, which is really what they care about, is the solution. Now, in that case, the application is banking and credit card. People wanting to call in and check their balance. They don't need to speak to a person. They don't want to speak to a person because, frankly, some of these people are calling a couple of times a day to see if the check's cleared or to see what their balance is. Another interesting Vonetix 7 Voice customer is not a household name at all. They make big industrial valves, but they have a global presence, and they have tiny call centers, like 4 to 5 people maybe, around the world. And these contact centers just weren't being served by their traditional PBX. They had found it difficult to move calls from one place to another, and the communications between agents in those call centers was not very good. So combining Microsoft Lync and Vonetix 7 Voice, we were able to build a solution for them where we can route calls to the appropriate contact center, we can check an agent's presence, and do all the things that, well, not all of the things, but do a subset of the things that a full-blown, big, expensive, big iron ACD would do, but at a much better ROI and delivering just what they want. They want the routing capabilities and some reporting, and not all the other stuff that frankly you end up paying for when you buy a big ACD from a traditional telecom vendor.